Question 13b, it's a little bit more involved. It's a 5-mark question, as you can see. So the histogram summarizes the heights of the 153 members of a swimming club. And you have this histogram below. So it asks which club has the greater median height. You must show all your working. So this question is a histogram question. So you need to know that the frequency density, FD, is equal to frequency divided by class width. Now, just like before, we know there's 153 members in the swimming club. So to find the median, or to get on our way to doing so, we need to do 153 divided by 2, which gives us 76.5. Okay, so this tells us what position or what member that we need to get to in order to find the median in terms of the frequency. Okay, so what we need to do next is actually find the frequencies, because frequency density and frequency is not the same thing. So we need to find the frequencies of each of these class widths. Right, so the table below shows the class widths, so the difference between the classes, frequency densities, and the frequency. So if we start with the first one, class width is 20. The frequency density from the graph is 1.4. So if we multiply those two, our frequency is 28. Now, this is the completed version of the table. You don't have to complete all of it to do this question. To be honest, we only need basically the first 2 or 3 for this question. But I completed all of it. So the one that I've put in blue is optional. And if you double check, if you add all these together, you would get 153, like they've said. So we need to now see where our 76.5, our median, lies. Now, if we look at the first interval, h is less than or equal to 160 and greater than 140, the frequency is 28. That is smaller than 76.5, so it's not in this interval. Now, if we now go to the next one, it's 72, but it's cumulative, so we have to add 28 and 72. And 28 plus 72 is 100. So that means 100 being bigger than 76.5 shows that our answer for the median lays between these two intervals. Okay, so because the median of the swimming club is either less than or equal to 170 centimeters or greater than 160 centimeters, if we compare this to the previous answer we got on question 13a, we got the median to be 172 centimeters, which means that the rowing club for part A has the greater median.